How to make Keto Orange Creamsicle Smoothie. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, also like the video, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Thank you. The ingredients: 1 ounce cream cheese, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, ½ teaspoon vanilla extract, 30 gram low-carb protein powder, 7 drops liquid stevia, 1 tablespoon stevia/erythritol blend, 1 tablespoon MCT oil, 1 teaspoon orange extract, 3 whole ice cubes. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. Place all of the ingredients in a blender. Pulse until it is smooth. 3. Pour into a glass and garnish with an orange slice. Then serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 1 serving of Keto Orange Creamsicle Smoothie. Each serving comes out to be 374 calories, 26.3 grams fat, 3.4 grams net carbs, and 26.4 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below for more recipes.